Getting the please update your NVIDIA GeForce Driver. The required version is 576.88 error when launching Battlefield REDSEC. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step so you can get back in the game without issues. First, open your browser. Search for NVIDIA app download. Click on NVIDIA app download. Press download now. Wait for the installer to be downloaded. Double-click the installer you just downloaded. Press yes. Press on agree and continue. Click on the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. Now press Download. Wait for the latest driver to be installed. Press Install. Press Yes. Select Express Installation. Press Continue. Now wait for the latest NVIDIA to be installed.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my